Welcome to this Phoenix Systems instructional video on how to change out the battery for your GE contact. Before we begin, you will need one CR123 battery you can purchase at any local hardware store or battery store like Batteries Plus. You may also need a small screwdriver, but not needed. Once you have the battery and screwdriver, you will need to verify that you have the system fully disarmed or in ready mode. After those steps, you will need to locate the sensor on the window or door as it is labeled on the panel. After locating the sensor, you will need to take it off the frame of the window or door. The sensor is held on by double-sided stick tape that you can easily replace as needed. Once the sensor is off, you will have to separate the cover and plate. It may be easier to use a small screwdriver. After the cover is removed, you will reveal the battery. Replace the battery with the new one you have purchased. Make sure the spring is the closest to the negative side of the battery. After the battery change, you will make sure the cover and plate are lined up, snapping the cover on. Place the sensor back on the frame after those steps. When you are doing this step, the sensor should be pulling towards the smaller magnet. Congratulations, you have successfully changed out the battery and the sensor. If you have any questions, please contact our office at any time. Thank you for watching this Phoenix Systems instructional video.